Good morning, Vande Mataram, Jai Bharat, Jai Shri Swaminarayan. My name is Milan Dolaria. In this video, I will explain you Standard 8, Chapter number 2, Exercise 2.5, Question number 1 to 5. So let's start it with question number 1. In this question, we need to solve these equations. Okay? Solve the equation, that means we need to find the value of x, value of variable. Okay, so here our first question is x by 2 minus 1 by 5 is equals to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. So here we have two ways. Either we can collect the terms which contain x on one side and other term on opposite side. Otherwise, directly we can take LCM, because here denominator are different. So we can directly take the LCM. Otherwise, first of all, we can collect the terms on separate side. Okay. Right now I try to collect the terms which contain x on one side and numerical term on other side. Okay. So here I have x by 2. Okay. So I transfer this term to the left hand side. If I transfer this term to the left hand side, here it is plus. If I transfer it to the left hand side, then it becomes negative. Okay. And second thing, I want numerical term on other side. So I need to transfer this minus 1 by 5 to the right hand side. So here is equals to, first of all, we have 1 by 4 here. So 1 by 4. If I transfer minus 1 by 5 to the right hand side, it becomes plus, so plus 1 by 5. Okay. Now I take LCM on left hand side and separate LCM on right hand side. So here left hand side we have two denominators, 3 and 2. Okay, both are prime numbers, so we can use the cross multiplication method. So this 3 is multiplied with this x. Okay, alternately our denominator, 3 2s are 6. Okay, our denominator is 6. Now, how can we convert this denominator 2 into 6? Because here we want 6, right? So we need to convert this 2 into 6. So 2 3s are 6. Same thing we need to do in numerator. Here we need to multiply with 3. So multiply 3 with numerator. So here 3x, it is 3x and denominator 6 is already present here. Okay, and negative sign continue. Then here we have 3, but we want 6, right? So we need to multiply with 2. So same thing we need to do in numerator. So here 3 2s are 6 and in numerator 2 multiply x, it is 2x. Okay, this is our rough work. That's why I have this. Okay, now same thing we need to do in right hand side. Okay, here we have 4, here we have 5. So 4 5s are 20. It is our denominator, LCM 20, right? Now we need to convert this 4 into 20. So we need to multiply with 5. Same thing we need to do in numerator. So in numerator 5 ones are 5, denominator 5 4s are 20. And plus sign as it is. Here we have 5, but we want 20, so we need to multiply with 4. Same thing we need to do in numerator. So in numerator 4 ones are 4. Okay. Alternately, what we are doing here, we just cross multiply the number. That means this 5 we multiply and divide here, this 4 we multiply and divide here. Okay. Again, this is the rough work, so we do not need to show this. Okay. Now, here 3x minus 2x, both are like terms. So 3 minus 2, 1. We can write only x, 1x or x, both are same. Right? Then divide by 6. Okay? Divide by 6 as it is equals to, here 5 plus 4. 9 divided by 20 as it is. Okay, 5 plus 4, 9 divided by 20. Now, if we want to find the value of x, so we need to transfer this 6 to the left hand side. Okay, because here we want only x. So whatever other terms we have here, we need to transfer it to the right hand side. Okay, so here x, we transfer this 6 to the right hand side. But before that, 9 upon 20 as it is. Okay, right now 6 is division. If we transfer it to the right hand side, it goes to the multiplication. Okay, so 9 multiplies 6 divided by 20. Now we can simplify this. Right? 4 5s are 20. Here 3 2s are 6. Okay, 2 2s are 4. Now we cannot simplify it further. Okay, so in numerator we have 9 and 3. So 9 3s are 27 divided by 5 2s are 10. So your answer of x is equal to 27 by 10. You can also convert it into the mixed fraction. Otherwise, you can also write in the decimal number. Otherwise, you can put as it is. Okay, this is our answer. Otherwise, you can write 2.7 because here 10 is there. So 1 point we need to put here. Otherwise, if we convert it into the mixed fraction, then we can write like this. All these three answers are correct. Okay. So this is our final answer. If you write only 27 by 10, then even it is correct. Okay. This is our final answer. Then question number 2. Here in left hand side, all the terms are containing x here, right? All the terms contain n. So we can take LCM here. Okay, we need to take LCM. So 2, 4 and 6. LCM of 2, 4 and 6. So first of all find the LCM. If you directly know, then you can write it. Otherwise you can use this method. Here 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Right? Then we can use here 2, 1 as it is. 2 1s are 2, again 3 as it is. Then we need to put here 3, 1, 1 and 1. So this is the answer of our LCM. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Okay, so our LCM is 12. Okay, so write down in denominator 12. Okay, this is our rough work. Now in numerator, here we have 2, right? So how can we convert this 2 into 12? So we need to multiply with 6, right? So same thing we need to do in numerator. Here 6 to the 12, and in numerator 6 multiply n, it is 6n. Okay, then minus, here 4 is there. How can we convert this 4 into 12? So 4 3s are 12. Same thing we need to do in numerator. So this 3 3s are 9n. Okay, here we have 6. We need to multiply with 2, right? So denominator 6 2s are 12, and in numerator 5n multiply 2. So 5 2s are 10n. So here 10n. Okay, and 21 as it is. Okay, now we can simplify our numerator. Here one more thing you can do. That means directly take the LCM on both the side. Okay, if we take LCM on both the side, then we do not need to write the denominator. But right now I am taking a denominator only on left hand side. That's why I need to write the denominator. Okay, now in numerator 6 minus 9. All these three terms are like terms, right? So 6 minus 9, plus minus minus, 9 minus 6, 3. Big number 9 have negative sign, so we need to put negative sign. plus 10 is 10 and divide by 12. Okay, is equals to 21 as it is. Now we can solve our numerator. Okay, again plus minus minus, 10 minus 3 7n divided by 12 is equals to 21 as it is. Okay, now for finding out value of n, we need to transfer this 7 and 12 both to the right hand side. First of all, right hand side we have 21. Okay, if we transfer this 12 from left hand side to right hand side, right now it is in division. If we transfer it to the right hand side, it goes to the multiplication. Okay, and this 7, right now it is in multiplication with n. If we transfer it to the right hand side, it goes to the denominator. Okay, same time we can transfer both these numbers 7 upon 12. So 12 it is in denominator, it goes to the numerator. 7 it is in numerator, it goes to the denominator. Okay, now we can simplify this. 7 3s are 21. Okay, and finally 12 3s are 36. Okay, so n is equals to 36. This is our answer. Okay, first of all we take LCM. After that we simplify our numerator, and at last we transfer this numerical term to the other side. We will get the value of n. Okay, next question number 3. X plus 7 minus 8x divided by 3 is equals to 17 by 6 minus 5x divided by 2. Okay, here first of all we collect our terms which contain x on same side and other numerical term in other side. Okay, so right now here we have x. Okay, then here we have minus 8x by 3. Okay, now this term contains x, so we need to transfer this term to the left hand side. Okay, so in left hand side I am only writing that terms which contain x. So here x minus 8x by 3 and minus 5x by 2. If we transfer from right hand side to left hand side, here it is a negative, it have negative sign. Okay, right now it is next is question number 3. X plus 7 minus 8x divided by 3 is equals to 17 by 6 minus 5x by 2. Okay, here first of all we try to collect terms which contain x on left hand side and other numerical term to the right hand side. Okay, so here total 3 terms we have which contain x. This one, and this one. So total 3 terms we have which contain x. So we need to collect that 3 terms on the left hand side. Right now these 2 terms are already in the right hand side. Sorry, already in the left hand side. Okay, so write down x and minus 8x by 3. Now we need to transfer this minus 5x by 2 from right hand side to left hand side. Right now it is negative, so if we transfer this term to the left hand side, it becomes positive. Okay, then is equals to, here we have 17 by 6. Okay, this is also one numerical term. We need to transfer this plus 7 to the right hand side because we want our numerical term on other side. So transfer this plus 7 to the right hand side, it becomes minus 7. Okay, now in left hand side we need to take LCM. Here 3 and 2 is that. Okay, here we have 3 and here we have 2. So total LCM is 3 to the 6. Okay, right now in first term we do not have any denominator. Okay, if we do not have any denominator, then we can write 1 because x divided by 1 it is x only. So we can write here 1. Now we need to convert this 1 into 6. So how we can convert this 1 into 6? We need to multiply it with this 6. Okay. So here we need to multiply 6. Same thing we need to do in numerator. Okay. In denominator we need to multiply with 6. So same number 6 we need to multiply with our numerator. So 6 multiply x, it is 6x. Okay. Then second term, here negative sign is there. So negative sign. Now we need to convert this 3 into 6. Okay. For that we need to multiply our denominator with 2. Same thing we need to do in numerator. So in numerator 8 multiplied to 60 x. Okay. Third term we have denominator 2. We need to convert this 2 into 6. So we need to multiply with 3. Right? So 3 to the 6. Same number we need to multiply in numerator. So in numerator 5 3s are, it is 15x, and denominator 6 we already have here. Okay. Now in right hand side even denominator 6. So again we need to take LCM. Okay. Here we have 6. So denominator 6. Now in first term we already have denominator 6 and that we want. So we do not need to do anything. So our 17 remains as it is. Okay. Now for 7, same thing as we did do in the x. Here nothing is present in denominator, so we can write 1. Now we need to multiply this 1 with 6. Okay. So in numerator 7 6 are 42. Okay. This is our LCM. Now solve our numerator. First of all, in numerator these 3 terms are like terms, right? So first of all consider first and second term. Here plus 6 minus 16. So plus minus minus, that means we need to do subtraction. So 16 minus 6, 10x. Okay, x is there, so x, and big number sign, big number 16 have negative sign, so minus 10x. Plus 15x remains as it is, divided by 6. Okay, and here plus minus minus, 42 minus 17. 42 minus 17, it is we subtract 7, 12 minus 7, then 5, 3 minus 1, then 2, 25. Okay, and big number sign, it is negative. Divide by 6 as it is. Okay, now again plus minus minus, 15 minus 10, 5x. Okay, divide by 6. 15 minus 10, 5. Big number 15 have positive sign, so positive sign. So plus 5x by 6. Here we have minus 25 by 6. Okay. Then we need to find this x. So we need to transfer this 5 and 6 to the right hand side. First of all, in right hand side we have minus 25 by 6. That we need to write as it is. Okay. Now this 6 is present in denominator. If we transfer it to the right hand side, it goes to the multiplication. That means in numerator. Okay. And 5 is present in numerator. If we transfer it to the right hand side, it goes to the denominator. Okay. This 6 is going to the numerator, 5 goes to the denominator. Now 6 6 cut. 5 5s are 25. Okay. So x is equal to, negative sign is there and only 5 is remaining. So x is equal to minus 5. Okay. This is our answer. X is equal to minus 5. Okay. First of all, we just try to collect our terms which contain x on one side and in other side our numerical term. Then we need to take LCM, and at last we need to transfer this numerical term to the numerical numbers to the right hand side. Then we get the value of x. Okay. And question number 4. X minus 5 by 3 is equal to x minus 3 divided by 5. Now in this case we do not need to take LCM. Okay. Because this is a single term. x minus 5 all divided by 3. Okay, that's why we do not need to take LCM, because x minus 5 all divided by 3. And here even x minus 3 all divided by 5. So here even we do not need to take LCM. Okay, in this case, here 17 minus 6 minus 7. Okay, 6 is present in denominator of 17 only. That's why we take LCM. Okay, and at last we get the denominator 6. But right now, already 5 is in denominator of 5 is present in denominator. Okay, this is a single term, this is a single term, because this division does not separate the term. Okay, if we give a bracket, then this is a single term, this is a single term, so we do not need to take LCM. So what we can do, just give the bracket here. Now if we want to remove the denominator, then this 5, transfer this 5 to the left hand side. Right now it is in division. If we transfer it to the left hand side, it goes to the multiplication. So here 5 in bracket x minus 5. Okay, and transfer this 3 to the right hand side. So this, right now this 3 is present in denominator. If we transfer it to the right hand side, it goes to the multiplication in numerator. Okay, so alternately what we need to do, transfer this 5 to the left hand side, transfer this 3 to the right hand side. Okay, so our denominator is removed. Okay, now multiply this 5 with this bracket. So 5 multiply x, 5x, and 5 multiply 5, 25, and plus minus minus. Okay, first of all we need to transfer this 5 to the left hand side, 3 to the right hand side, then we need to do multiplication process. Now 3 multiply x, it is 3x, and 3 multiply 3, 3 3s are 9, plus minus minus. Okay, now here we have 5x, here we have 3x. That means we have total 2 terms which contain x, and we want that 2 terms on the same side, and out of that our big term needs to be positive. Right now in 5x and 3x, 5x is big number, and right now it is already positive in the left hand side. So we do not need to transfer this 5x, because if we transfer this 5x to the other side, it becomes negative. But we want our big term is positive. Okay, our big term we want positive. Right now it is positive on the left hand side, so we do not need to transfer this. So alternately we need to transfer our small term to the left hand side. Okay, here we have 5x. If we transfer this plus 3x to the left hand side, it becomes minus 3x. Second thing, we want our numerical term in right hand side. Okay, so we need to transfer this minus 25 to the right hand side. If we transfer this minus 25 to the right hand side, it becomes plus 25. Okay, minus 9 as it is. Okay, now in left hand side, these two are the like terms. So 5 minus 3, 5x minus 3x, 2x. Okay, and big number sign, it is positive. Here 25 minus 9, it is 16. Big number sign, again it is positive. Now for finding out value of x, we need to transfer this 2 to the right hand side. It goes to the denominator. Okay, if we transfer this 2 to the right hand side, it goes to the denominator. Because right now it is in multiplication with x. If we transfer it to the right hand side, it goes to the denominator. Now we can cut this. 2 8s are 16. So we will get the value of x. X is equal to 8. This is our final answer. Okay. Transfer our denominator to the other side. Then we need to do multiplication. Then we want terms which contain x on same side, other numerical term on the other side. Solve this. At last we need to transfer this number to the right hand side. We will get the value of x. Okay. Next, question number 5 is 3t minus 2 divided by 4 minus 2t plus 3 divided by 3 is equals to 2 by 3 minus t. Okay. Right now I am taking LCM on both the sides. Okay. First of all, we need to give here bracket. Okay. Because this is one single term, this is even one single term, this is one term, and this is one term. Okay. First of all, we need to take LCM on both the side of equality sign. Okay. So first of all, for LCM, our LCM is 12. Okay. Our LCM is 12 because here we have 4, here we have 3, here we have 3. So alternately 4 multiply 3, 12. Okay. So denominator 12. Okay. Now here we have 4. How can we convert this 4 into 12? So we need to multiply with 3. 4 3s are 12. So same thing we need to do in numerator. Okay. Here 4 is there, so 4 3s are 12. Same thing we need to do in numerator. So this bracket multiply 3. Okay, so 3 multiply this bracket. Okay, like this. 4. How can we convert 4 into 12? 4 3s are. So same thing we need to multiply numerator. Now here even we have denominator 3. How can we convert this 3 into 12? So 3 4s are 12. Same thing we need to do in numerator. Okay, here negative sign. Now 4 multiplied with this bracket. So 4 2t plus 3. Okay, here 3 is there. So how can we convert this 3 into 12? 3 4s are. So same thing we need to multiply in numerator. So 4 multiply this bracket. That's why here bracket is there. Okay. Then 2 by 3. How can we convert 3 into 12? So 3 4s are 12. Same thing we need to do in numerator. So here 4 2s are 8. Here even denominator 12. Okay. Then here nothing is present in denominator. So we can write 1. Okay. How can we convert this 1 into 12? 1 multiply 12. Okay. We need to multiply with 12. So same thing we need to do here. Okay. Now in numerator 12 multiply t. It is minus 12t. Okay, and denominator 12 is already there. Here we are taking LCM on both the side, so we do not need to write what denominator. Okay, if we write this denominator, if we transfer it to the left hand side, so alternately it cuts. Okay, so directly if we take the LCM on both the side, then we do not need to take this, then we do not need to write this denominator. Okay, and if we write the denominator, then even we can get the same answer. Okay, now this 3 is multiplied with 3t. So 3 3s are 90. Okay, and 3 multiplied with 2. So minus 3 2s are 6. Okay, now here plus minus minus 4 2s are 8t. And 4 multiplied with 3, 4 3s are 12. Here plus sign, here minus sign, so plus minus minus. Okay, 3 we need to multiply with this bracket, so 3 into 3t 90, 3 into 2 6, here 4 into 2 80, plus minus minus, again plus minus minus, 4 3s are 12. And our right hand side as it is. Okay, now here we can simplify this. Okay, 90 minus 8t, it is only t, because 9 minus 8 it is 1. Okay, so 1t, so we can write only t, otherwise 1t, whatever you want. Okay, 1t and t both are same. Here even we have one term which contains t, so we need to transfer this term to the left hand side, because we want our terms which contain t on left hand side. So transfer this minus 12t to the left hand side, it becomes plus 12t. Right? It becomes plus 12t. Okay. Now here we have 8 and here we have two numerical term in left hand side, so we need to transfer both this term to the right hand side, because we want our numerical term on right hand side. So So if we transfer this minus 12 to the right hand side, it becomes plus 12. And if we transfer this minus 6 to the right hand side, it becomes plus 6. Okay. Now here 12 plus 1, 13t. Okay. Here 8 plus 6, 14 plus 12. Okay, so here 13t is equals to 14 plus 12, 26. Now if you want to find the value of t, then we need to transfer this 13 to right hand side, it goes to the denominator. Right now 13t, that means 13 it is in multiplication with t. Okay, if we transfer it to the right hand side, it goes to the denominator. Okay, so we can cut this. Okay, so we will get the value of t is equals to 2. Okay, 26 minus divided by 13 is 2. So t is equals to 2. So first of all we need to put here bracket, then we need to take LCM on both this side, then we need to multiply this number with this bracket, we need to simplify it, then we need to transfer our terms which contain t on left hand side and other terms on the right hand side. Okay, and at last we need to transfer this 13 to the right hand side, it goes to the denominator. So t is equals to 2. This is our final answer. Okay students, so if you have any doubt in this question, so just write down in comment section, I will give you the answer. Okay, thank you.